Most of us know stock photography as a place where we could sell images, but usually those prices go from 10 cents to 25 cents, and sometimes 25 bucks if we're lucky. Did you know that one of the agencies just ran a contest and someone made $6,000 for one photo? And that's before they even sold it. Let's head on over to the office and learn a little bit more about this. Now, yes, I know $6,000 for a stock photo is not something that happens often. The agency I'm talking about is Dreamstime, and yes, they are celebrating their 200 million images and 1 million subscribers, and this is why they had a $6,000 gift for the first place. Second place got $3,000, and third place got $1,000. Dreamstime runs contests like this every 3 to 4 months, and the typical prices are $300 for first place, $200 for second place, and $100 for third place. They're doing the $6,000 because it was a massive event for them. They hit a huge milestone. That's why it was a larger amount, but that doesn't mean that they're not going to do that again. Now, when you submit these photos to Dreamstime, they have to be exclusive. But you also have the option to sell them the rights to your photo for $25. So that's 10 uploads for 25 bucks a piece every 3 to 4 months. That's $250 extra that you could be making by submitting to Dreamstime. By the way, there's links down below, the referral links. I get like 2 cents for every photo you sell. I know that a lot of you are already selling photos through my links because I get notifications here and there. So what makes a $1,000 image? Let's go over here and find out. Before we start, let me show you something I got. Actually, I didn't get it. I actually made it. Everybody tells you that, you know, to make things real, you got to write them down, put them on paper, and to behave as if I already have 100,000 subscribers. I thought about aluminum foil, but it didn't look the same. All right, let's go into Dreamstime and find out what makes a $1,000 photo. And no, this is not sponsored. I just want to share with you guys because there's a lot of ways to make money with stock photography. This guy makes $6 grand and he didn't even sell the picture. And yes, these are fake $100 bills. That's because I didn't win. So let's dive in here real quick and analyze these photos. Let's start here with the third place. This is an awesome photo. Anybody can go into Dreamstime, open an account, sign up. You can see all the winners and everybody that participated. It was over 640 photos. So think about that, 640 photos and 3 chances to win. That's really high odds. So now let's check these images out and find out what makes it a winner. The first thing I see, it's an editorial photo. It's got a beautiful caption, explains exactly what's going on. These are people harvesting and creating incense sticks. The description is beautifully written. It explains exactly what's happening. But the photo itself is very simple. It's beautiful, colorful, but very simple. And it also shows a way of life. It's a lifestyle photo. There's one dominant color, which is this purple. And the river of blue, that's the tarp they're using to dry this. It leads your eye into where these people are as they work. So it's a simple photo. It's an editorial. Editorials tend to sell quite a bit. And it's just that beautiful, colorful, bright, but yet not distracting. The colors are just complementary. The blue, the purple, and the orange are very simple color palette, and to me that is just a beautiful photo. Having people working, doing something that you've never seen before, really drags you in to see other people's lifestyle. How, you know, these are just things that not everybody sees, so it's very interesting. This photo has leading lines, it has a human element, it's got a simple color palette, and it makes you wonder, what are they doing? Because at first glance, you don't know if those are flowers, you don't know what it is. So it sparks a question and it makes you wonder, what are these people doing? So that is a winning photo, when you can make something that it makes you think and it makes you ask those questions. Let's go on over to second place and analyze this photo. This is a $3,000 photo winner. And it's a cormorant fisherman in China. This is, again, it's a beautiful photo. Mostly gray with a little bit of the golden light from the sunshine. It's got the lantern here with a little bit of a red glow. And it's literally just a very simple image that looks beautiful. And it makes you wonder, what are they doing? It's another editorial image. That's 2 editorial images. It's a beautiful edit that's not over-processed. And if they did replace the sky, you can't tell. You can't tell from the photo. They're in the lower third, the mountains and everything leads you in. The light over here that's on the front of the paddleboard here, that light just kind of ties everything together. It ties with the sun. The balance in this photo is perfect with the mountains and the water, and then the leading lines also right across here with the sunshine and the lantern. makes it a very powerful image. And having the lifestyle of the person interacting with the wildlife, using the bird to fish, that totally makes you wonder, what are they doing? The question, the lifestyle. Again, another winning image. Perfect. All right, let's move on to the $6,000, the first prize winner. First place, this is a beautiful image, very powerful and striking image. And again, it's an editorial photo. Three of them, three winners were all editorials. Now, this photo, I mean, it is literally beautiful. Again, lifestyle, interacting with wildlife, that seems to be a big theme here, and very simple tones in the edit. You have the beautiful sunrise in the background, the reds and the orange, which contrasting with the kid here in the front, and then the cattle. The blue tones from the cattle and then the warm tones on the person and the sky are complementary. They're opposite on the color wheel. So those tones are adding a lot to this composition. This photo breaks all my rules in photography. I usually try to keep the eyes on the upper third. Here they're right in the middle. The subject is centered right in the middle. And then it's just a very striking and very beautiful image, which again, you need to know the rules so you can know when to break them. Just because you apply every rule to every photograph, that doesn't mean you're gonna make a beautiful image or a strong image. This one is very striking, and again, it makes you wonder, what is going on? Why is there a child here surrounded by cattle? And if you read the caption, you learn a little bit more. They go out in the mornings, they collect the cow dung and then put it in piles where they burn. And this repels most of the mosquitoes and bugs and stuff that live in that area. This is in South Sudan. So again, it's a beautiful image. The composition is striking because it's not only does it lead your eye right to the middle to where the person is, it makes you wonder what's going on, and the complementary colors, the blue tones and the warm tones, work together to create just another beautiful photo. See, this photo has a little bit more than the other ones because seeing the child's face, you can almost feel what he's going through and what he's doing. Like just by staring at his face, you can almost, you get a very strong emotion, and that is why this photo is a winner. It's a very strong feeling photo, and it draws your eye and your attention, and you almost can't stop watching. Everywhere you look, there's something interesting. Now, another rule that this guy is breaking, one of my rules, so it's not really a rule, I don't like to sell my best work for stock. These photos are beautiful. They're magazine, they're print worthy, and he's selling them as stock photos. And yes, he just made $6,000 just from the start. And now however many times it sells, he's still gonna collect commissions on that. So it's really awesome to see people's best work out for stock photography. It's unbelievable. Beautiful picture. Congratulations to all the winners. You guys did an incredible job. Now these are amazing images. If you pay attention to all three, they're all editorials, they all have a human element, and they're all very powerful yet simple edits. There's 2 or 3 tones, colors that overpower the image, and having the human element, especially interacting with an animal, it really makes you, wow. That's what these images do. Again guys, if I read here, there's 649 images that got accepted for the contest. Each photographer is allowed to submit up to 10 submissions. So if all your images get accepted, that's 1 in 6.5 chance of winning. Those are great odds. And this is something that I enjoy. And this is other ways that we can make a little bit extra money with photos that we may already have. These are very strong and very powerful and striking images, and I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about not only stock photography, but what makes a winning photo, a $1,000 image. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charles Wollertz, Wollertz Photography. Please consider subscribing, and maybe one day I will get the, one of these, a silver one. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.